Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing Bestellea.com. So if you don't know what this is, they actually sell apparel or clothes for women. So as you can see, this is what they look like on their website. And right off the bat, guys, I've noticed that it has the exact same layout as other scam websites that look like this. So as you can see right here, this image was just copied, as you can see from the low quality of the image. As you can see from the images right here, this pattern right here is what got me to see that they have the same outline or same layout as other scam websites that have the same layout as this one. So please, guys, advise caution before buying anything from this website. Please do some more research about this website first before actually entering in your card or your money, since you will get scammed, guys. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.